Bruce here, Murphy, North Carolina, the day after Groundhog Day. Oh, and by the way, this video is dedicated to Paul Harrell, a very good YouTuber. My thoughts are with you, Paul. To you, buddy. Okay, we're here today to talk about Yoplait yogurt. Yoplait yogurt. More specifically, oui. Oui yogurt, which comes in a nice little glass container. And this nice little foil lid. You get rid of that. You eat the yogurt. It's so good. It's addictive. But then you got a jar without a lid. But before that, they're good for many, many things. Remember, we're here to recycle. I sort out nickels. Keep one in the bathroom. Keep my Q-tips in. Around the gun bench. Oh yeah, I do gun videos, I know. That's going to turn a lot of you off. My cooking videos, I'll put cooking in the title, so you won't be offended by firearm content. Now, these have had many iterations over the years. Currently, we're on the Stick'em label. Early versions were painted. Isn't that a peach? That's pretty. Then they even had short versions for the layered desserts. What do they have in common? Same opening. That'll be key in a minute. So, we got the Stick'ems. You go careful. Go easy. You can take off the whole Stick'em. Then once you're done that, soak them, clean them. Now you've got your useful containers. Oh yeah, even for water. So you got 20, 30 people coming over. You're gonna do shots. Do a salute to somebody. Perfect for shots. I don't know about you, but I don't have 30 shot glasses. Well, I'm never going to have 30 people over here. Moot point. So, nice containers. I'd like to do things with them. Oh yeah, that was a good one. The strawberry. I want to do things with them. Maybe cook. Thanksgiving time, cranberry sauce. For the party favors, some pickled onions, whatever. In each little individual jar. Uniform looks cool. But Bruce, I gotta prepare these ahead of time, keep them in the fridge. What am I going to do? Boom, you're in luck. Now, on Amazon or eBay, your choice, there are lids. They make lids for these. The most convenient size is about 48 lids, but they make lids for them now. And once again, being they were all the same size openings, they'll fit on all those jars, old or new. Now you can make your, different colors too. And if you really want to spend some serious money, they even have some wicker ones. A little pricey. I try and save money. But now, you got the lids. So you can make your stuff up ahead of time, put it in the fridge, ready for the party. Or whatever. The sky's the limit. Use your imagination. Okay, this has been Bruce. Cooking with less, trying to save you some money, and not to waste. I usually say drink more shine, eat more bacon. 2024, I'm steering away from that. I'm just going to go with be awesome. See ya.